Welcome back to another portfolio update. The market is closed as of right now. We are up 121 for the day. For the past week, up 102, 656 for the month. Let's look at 3 months, 1916. Year to date, 1977. 1 year mark, 3760. And since I started, we're almost at 40%, 14,385. All right, guys, let me give you the options update. I don't know why it's not showing right there, this Robinhood option that I have. I don't know, it's acting up here, but I'll show you guys this way. All right, so we have a Robinhood option that I did, I think a week and a half ago, maybe 2 weeks. Yeah, 321 sold. Expiration is 621. It's kind of a long one for me. I usually try to stick within a week or two, maybe a month, but I want to get rid of my Robinhood shares. They're not paying a dividend, and I'm down. So on this one, we sold it for $38 call. That's the strike, and we are up $12 right now. I made $31. It's worth 19 right now, but I don't think it's going to hit $38. If it does, great. Then we'll get rid of it. So that's what's going on with that one. Then, if you guys saw the last video, I did have a GameStop put. So I put up 1,200 bucks for GameStop and it exercised. So I sold it at a $12 strike price and I was paid the $15 for it. So I made 15 bucks, but it exercised right here. So I was assigned 100 shares at 12 each. So that's 1,200 bucks minus the 15 I got. So technically we'll call it 1,200. So I'm stuck right now with 100, not stuck. I don't mind getting stuck with this one. I'll show you what happens. So not Robinhood, GameStop is 1104. Now I had some GameStop shares. So now with my extra 100 shares plus the 25 I had, the average cost is 1572. So what I want to do now, since I have 125 shares, I want to get rid of those 100 shares with a call, but I want to get rid of it at $16 or higher. So we need to look at which day we want to get rid of it. I guess the farther out you go, the more they're going to pay. So if I go by to the end of the month and we sell a call, so we're at remember our strike we want is 16 at least so we can make a little money. So $16 right now it's paying $10 to $12 total. It's 10 to 12 cents, but you multiply it by 100. So if we would sell that, you can kind of get an idea. So let's say we go at 11. If it well, I'm not going to show you guys that, but if it hits $16 or higher by that date, I will sell 100 shares at that price. So I can get rid of it, or I can try to go, since I paid $12 each, we can go to, let's say, 13. It's going to pay us 18 to 20 cents each, 18 to 20 bucks. So in the meantime, so this is called the wheel. So you sell a put. If you get exercise, you sell a call until you get rid of those shares. And you kind of keep doing that. It's called a wheel. So, and every time you sell an option or do a trade, you should be getting some premium every time. So that's where I'm at. I'm gonna wait. I think I'm gonna wait another day and see how the stock goes. It's been kind of going down. So when it's lower, of course, they're gonna pay less for the options in the future. So look at that. It's been dropping. So I think it might go up eventually. So I might wait a day or two to sell the option, and we'll see how that goes. But that's what's going on with that one. And I still have money in the account. Like I said before, I have $3,266. I did get rid of some companies that really weren't paying much, and I left the money in the buying power, which is paying 5.25% right now with Robinhood Gold. And if you have Robinhood Gold, they give you the option of this new credit card they offer. Let's see, I'll show you guys. There it is. So I guess it's not out yet. They pay 3% on pretty much everything. It's Looks pretty good. I don't know if I'm going to get it yet. There's no annual fees because you're paying $5 a month, and you get 3% cash back. I got to look a little bit more into this, see if it's worth getting. If you do get a credit card, try to pay it off every month so you don't pay that interest. That's how they make their money. All right, so let's get into the dividends that are coming in for the month or the week or whatever you guys want to see. I give you guys an update. So we are in April. So at the bottom, UGI paid. And if you're new here, I do an update at the end of the month, and I give you guys all the details on how many shares I have of each and how much each one paid. So you can check that out. But in the meantime, I just kind of do a little quick run through. UGI, Coca-Cola, LTC, KHC, Iron Mountain. These are all paid already. JEPI with $59. JEPQ. Microsoft's Yield Max. Okay, this is Yield Max. It's not Microsoft. It's Yield Max. $1.51. Same thing with this one. This is Tesla's Yield Max. And they paid a lot less this month. So 36 on that. AGNC, Main Street. These are coming in. AGNC, Main Street, Realty Income, Stag, PSEC, and Altria. And then there's going to be more that are going to populate there throughout the weeks. And I'll show you guys that on the videos. All right, guys, let me know what you think. Let me scroll through so you can see what I have and what's going on. And if you guys have any comments, questions, let me know. Look at these two. AGNC and LTC jumped up today a little bit. QYLD stays the same always. JEPI, JEPQ. So we have Gamestop 100 shares. I do have to get rid of this here, guys. AMC, if you guys have been watching my old videos, I bought AMC before, I think before COVID or right. Yeah, I bought it before COVID. It was like $2 or two. If you can find my old video from back then, I show you guys. I think I bought hundreds of shares. I don't even remember. I think 2 to 3 or 400 shares, 500 shares. I don't remember, of AMC in the $2 range or $3 range. And then it went up to 50 and I sold 100 at 50. So that made me $5,000. But that was a while ago. So I still have some. So I don't know if I should keep averaging down. I don't know what's going to happen with AMC. It's not a good company. We have, and this is pretty much it. That's all I have. So if you guys have questions, comments, let me know, and I will get to those, or ideas or anything else. I'll let you know. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and make sure you hit the like. I get more views that way. All right, thanks, guys.